I'm Stacy with WTI. If you're looking for a really simple and beautiful piece of decor for your kitchen, then you need to look at this beautiful wooden stand from SOWA Decor. This stand is about 11 inches across and it's made out of a beautiful light wood. It is painted white, so it's very, very pretty and simple. What I really like about it is that it can be used for a different variety of purposes. So you could put spices on this, you could put some candles or flowers or decor. It really just is something that elevates off the counter or off of a table and really adds in a very simple touch and decor. The piece is easy to wipe down and clean, and it also stands nice and sturdy on the 3 legs at the bottom, and they do not slide around. They don't have any extra grip or footing on, but they really stay in place really well. It has a nice little ridge detail on the sides, making it such a really pretty and simple and basic piece. If you're looking for just something basic to add into your kitchen, you can use this seasonally. So I added my fall decor and I'm looking forward to adding in a winter touch to it. You go with this piece and you'll be super happy and pleased with it. And that's my point of view.